Alright, here's some lessons on doing the airbrush lettering. Number 1, bubble lettering. Bubble lettering can be kind of tricky because I often run out of space. You can see that I'm not even centered here perfectly. But if it helps figure out where your middle letter is and then kind of estimate on each side, it'll help you to figure out where you're supposed to be. So I do that, just a simple outline, no shadow, and then I outline it in blue. And then I fill in the negative spaces. Also too, I should probably mention that when I do my bubble letters, and I'll do a different class on this, but I leave very small negative spaces and I keep the letters tight together. And the reason why I want to do that is coloring it is a breeze, as you can see. One stroke, just go straight across. Little imperfections like that aren't too much of a bother. We're going for speed, not accuracy. Alright. Then the embellishment on the top. And on the bottom. Go straight across again, bam, done. That's it for number 1.